son, give me money. $50 out of what? My son, give me money.
Let me see your phone.
No, you're too much. No.
Let me see that.
Are you fair? Give me money.
Give me.
My son, give me money. My son, leave me alone. No. My son, give me money. No, but just show you. Leave me alone. No. My son, give me money. Can't leave me alone now. My son, give me money.
Stop, mommy.
No. My son, give me money. My son, my son, give me money. Where I search my phone for, child? I got to change the whole of my password then for my phone. My son, give me money. My son, give me money. Son, give me big money for my birthday. And my birthday now then now we're close. My son, give me. Yeah, this can do whole heap of things. This money I can do whole heap of things. Because where you going on my phone them go do? You send money? I don't know where me call you out here for. My son, give me money. Me just see alarm come on my phone. And me just make two little sound. And you run come out here. At one my phone for check my business. You see how you stay? What you did there, though?
You get more money too.
No.
For this.
No, I just tried to sell myself money last night from my other account. Me rich. Me I got Costco. This money I got Costco. It I got a restaurant depot. Go buy a whole heap of things. I'm gonna buy myself something for my birthday. My son, give me money. Yeah? $50 for what? It's not easy. Send me what kind of money? I know you say you're gonna send me money tomorrow. So you want me if you send you money and you give money tomorrow? Hey! Aaron put me in a wheel. My son, give me money. You know this morning when I watched last time I watched the Olympics and me I say you should have in the Olympics now. I could have even volleyball. You see how quick me run you? Why? You come back. My son, give me money. Oh, God. No, I'm just lay down here so because he text me and ask me when we buy already. I will tell him, Mika, go out. She gone outside. My son text me this morning and him say, me not tell him, say me I keep my a little backyard cookout for my birthday. Me never tell him because through him not there here, me not want him think say I miss the fun and then him feel left out. I don't know how him find out. I must somebody tell him. So there me I say him text me this man and say, "Man, me say I keep party man." And me say, yeah. And he said, "What you buy already?" I tell him I'm not buy nothing yet. And I don't know bashment me I keep. I just I look a cook out. And boom, me see money coming on me. Zelle. Money Zelle. So me just say, "My son, give me money. My son, give me." Some start sing it now. And then now me can hear. Me that go draw them, you know. Me can Samantha hear. Me know me that go draw a crowd with it. So then come out now. Mika see her how much. She sick cause the alert up on my phone and me show her. I me just turn on my camera and say, my son give me money. You see she want to take out my phone? Me I go change the password from everything. They know too much of my business. No sir. She go send me money tomorrow. And I want me if it's yeah money out of where my son give me. What can I go so? No sir.